Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and here I am with leaked IELTS speaking cue cards. Okay, exactly. Now, leaked does not mean that I have stolen these cue cards or I'm working for some underworld and all that. Okay, all that stuff is all bad. Okay, well, one of my students, his name is Sanan Safdar. He is from UAE. He's been my IELTS student. Actually, he attended my classes. So he has sent me a list of 74 cue cards which are the most essential or most important cue cards. Now, actually, they have collected all these cue cards with the help of the students who appeared in their IELTS test in the month of January. They asked around 500 students about their cue cards, and they selected all those cue cards. And if the cue card was repeated, they did not mention it. So there is a list of 74 cue cards. Now, let me tell you, usually you find the books with cue cards, with sample answers, part 3 with sample answers. That actually spoils your own creativity. Now, this handout is for those who are planning to get 7 or 8 band in IELTS speaking. For 6 band, it's okay. You can cram the answers, you can cram the cue cards, and then you go there. And examiners are very sharp. They understand that you are producing the answer from your memory, and this is not your language skills. So those who are planning to get 7 or above, for them, all these cue cards without answers, these are raw cue cards with part 3. This will help you. So guys, on Sunday, actually today is Sunday when uploading this video, this is a Sunday morning gift from Asad Yaqub to all of you. In order to get this handout, all you need to do, this time it's different. You have to join me on Telegram. I have my account on Telegram. This is my Telegram number. Just go to Telegram, join this group over there. The link is given in the description, and there I'm going to share this valuable resource with you. So if you want this handout, go to Telegram, join me there, and there I often, like on day-to-day basis, I often share valuable material with you. So I want you all to be the part of my Telegram group as well. There I'm going to share this valuable resource. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. Menu po chad gaye.